Hey guys, I'm Adrian from adoriani.com, and today I'm going to speak about the virtual instruments and how to use them. I remember when I tried my first virtual instrument in Pro Tools. It was so cool to learn that using my MIDI controller I could play different instruments. Of course, the sound was different than the original instruments, but it was a start. I could be one-man band. Those were the days when I began my producing journey into a digital audio workstation. In order to use a virtual instrument in Pro Tools, you should create first an instrument track. Go to Pro Tools menu, Track, New. Here you can select how many tracks you want to create, then select Stereo and Instrument Track. As you can see here, there are two sections, Inserts and Sends. On the Insert section, you have to insert the virtual instrument plugin that you want to play. So let's insert Expand here in the plugin menu in the Instruments section. And when you play your MIDI controller keys or pads, you can hear in Pro Tools the notes you are playing. Other times, you have to engage the record button in order to start using the virtual instrument. So, let's record something on the instrument track. In order to do that, push the record button here and here. Then hit the space bar, or you can use the F12 key. I also have the click track as a reference. As you can see, what I recorded is not perfectly in the beat as I would want it to. In order to solve this issue, I'll use the Quantize function. The shortcut for Quantize is Alt+0 on Mac. Set the Quantize grid to 1/16, then select the MIDI part you want to quantize and hit Apply. You can hear the difference. Now, let's say you want to transpose this track an octave higher or below. You simply have to select Transpose. And in the octave section, you should put +1 or -1 and hit Apply. If you want to record the audio of the instrument track inside the session, hit left click and the commit option. It is as simple as that. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If so, now is the time to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Visit our Facebook page and our site adoriani.com and say hi. Until next time, stay cool and make great music.